In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check read emails on Gmail. If you've ever wanted a quick way to select all the messages you've already read without clicking them one by one, this is the simplest method built right into Gmail. We'll stay focused on the desktop interface, since that's where the selection menu is easiest to find and use. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once you're in your account, go to the specific place you want to check. This could be your main inbox, one of the tabs like Promotions or Social, your Sent folder, or any custom label you use. It's important to be in the exact section where you want to check read emails, because the selection you're about to make only applies to the messages currently listed on that screen. Now, look at the toolbar directly above your list of emails. On the far left of that toolbar, you'll see a square checkbox that selects messages in the list. Just to the right of that checkbox, there's a small downward-facing arrow. Click that little arrow to open Gmail's selection menu. This menu lets you quickly choose groups of messages based on their status, and it's what makes this process fast and accurate. From the menu that appears, click the option labeled Read. The moment you do that, Gmail will automatically check every email on the current page that has already been read. You'll see check marks appear next to those messages, and at the top, Gmail will show you how many were selected. If you don't have any read emails in that view, nothing will be selected, which simply means there aren't any read messages on that page to check. A quick note about what just happened. Selecting read emails doesn't change anything about them. It doesn't mark them as read or unread, and it doesn't move or delete them. It only selects them, so they're ready if you want to perform an action afterward. If you don't want to do anything else, you're done. If you don't see the small arrow next to the checkbox, try expanding your browser window or making sure you're on the standard Gmail view. Also keep in mind that Gmail usually shows your messages in pages. This selection applies to the messages visible on the current page, so if you have a lot of mail, you may need to repeat the same action on the next page. That's all there is to it. You've quickly checked all read emails in the folder, or label you're viewing, without sorting through them one by one.